Here is gel painting with precision brush. And I'm just gonna do some veins on this. Basically, this one you don't even need to mess around with crystal clear. You can if you want to. Should I? I'm gonna do some crystal clears on, no.
Because you want to define your vein a bit more.
Because then you're bleeding all your whites away. Just a little bit. Let me clear this. All right, clear first, and then we'll go back. Do crystal clear. Do crystal clear. Clear it first.
Ready?
And then we're gonna go back and do a little bit. If you want to. Just a little bit crystal clear. If you're using this for any fusioning, if you're using too much crystal clear, guess what happened? The same with any other color, it's gonna bleed all your white away. So really like open it, but you just get just a little bit. Do not use too much. Basically, you don't have much left. Should be good. So make sure you wipe off all of your brush and you have just a little bit of crystal clear left, just in case. And then you don't want to do too much that it will bleeding all of your whites off. You see that how much I just using, that's all you need. But just enough on your brush. You don't want to get flooded with your crystal clear, because that way the crystal clears will wash off your white. You see how my motion is? Like the same thing, if you want to do a vein, so make sure you are doing it from the edges outside of the fusioning that you added on, and work toward into the centers so you can create your veins more defined. Okay, so if you're working with your poly white, matte top coat is important because it gets the foundations for this fusioning. It will grips all of your, just a little bit. You see that how much I using crystal clear is like not much, because you don't want to bleed all of your white away. There you go. All right. So I'm happy with this. I'm go ahead and add more of my gel painting. Just use little on yours. And really light touch. You don't want to like make it too and then we're gonna key it again for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna use some of the silver. So then we'll get a matching, and this now is what we're doing with Louis. All right, so key for 30 seconds. So you see me do option of both, like, cause everyone, I wanna see the crystal clear. So if, hi, super cute bling nails, hello, hi Cindy. Hi Matt, hi Lexi, hi Israel, Pinky, hello, how are you, your time, Lorena. I ordered my condensed wool gels and top coat is get here Friday. It's rain, hey. It's excited to get it Friday, which is in 2 days, right? Hi Whitney, thank you so much for tuning back in. So I'm gonna using a shimmering silver. Also, this one was stunning if you're using the golden touch as well. So just in case you use golden touch, like if you do anything with theme of gold and black, I think it looks so stunning as well. So I'm gonna using a shimmering silver, which is right here, just in case you wonder what I'm using. Sometimes if I miss a question, just feel free to DM us or email us if any, like if you need to get hold of us immediately with the products and order any questions, you can always email us at Glitz, info at Glitz Accessories and such. We always get back to everyone within less than 24 hours. And all the shipping that orders with shipping it out within 1 business day. So we're so excited, and thank you so much for love and support. So I'm using the shimmering silver and draw some cute veins here. You can do so many different veins if you prefer. You don't have to do exactly. We're gonna do some cool sticker on this. I'm gonna key this one for 30 seconds again. Great. Yeah, it's cool, right? It looks like lightning. So then, and then we did earlier, it was look smoky look. So I did earlier, if you missed it, you can already watching them. Super cute. It's really cool though. Earlier I did it without, okay, so if you want to look like a smoky look, so you don't need to use crystal clear, but if you want to do more of like marble like stuff, so you can using crystal clear to draw your veins the way you want it. This one is the nails of similar like theme, but today in the more earlier we did this nails. I was having so much fun, and everybody was participating and helped me with the cute design. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have 2 tweezers here. As I said earlier, is this tweezer is really sharp. If you get it, do not like leave or do this covers away, because it's really sharp. When you poke me, it's hard, but it's so nice. And do not, I do that because then I don't want to drop the tips of my tweezer, because it's really cool and it really like details and precise, so it pick your stickers really easy without rip them off. So we do maybe a white Louis. Okay, let's see, we can do I want this flowers, like cherry, I think that's there. And then this is a door, I'm gonna using a door. Give it a lot rub. It's really nice, it's like curl like this, so then it stay on. Oh, why so? It shows out of focus. And then maybe this one. Should I do some crystals? Should I do some, I don't know what should we do with the crystal, red crystals or black and white crystal? Maybe to do red so make it the theme look.
Some red on.
Some red on it. Let's see. Do we have smaller one? Looks cool though, and we can do some crystal here. See what is smaller one we can get to get this. I'm so obsessed with this. This looks so cool though. If you don't want crystals, you can do one Louis here and then flowers here. I think it looks cute, but I want to save some space for crystal. What do you think? And it's gonna dress it up really nice. It looks cool, but can be. I'm gonna close this so I won't poke myself. And now it's really cool though. I using one side and then I using the rubber on the other ends and rub it. Condensed glue gel.